Jenna and Jeremy.
In August 2020, we bought an RV.
In September 2020, we sold everything and hit the road full time.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff. While in Washington, we based ourselves in Bellingham for about a week. In the last video, we took an excellent trip out to Mount Baker. You can check that out right here. Just 15 minutes south of Bellingham is Washington's very first state park, Larrabee State Park. Located on Chuckanut Mountain, it's known for postcard views of Samish Bay and the San Juan Islands. There is plenty to do here, from diving to shellfish harvesting, exploring tide pools, hiking, biking, even rock climbing. The train also runs right through, and it's pretty cool to see. I will say that the road, Chuckanut Drive, is quite narrow and made me a bit nervous in our wide RV, so not sure if there's specific restrictions here, but just be warned if you're in a vehicle bigger than ours. First on the to-do, let's go rock climbing.
All right, guys, I found the spot we were gonna try to climb the other day, but it was high tide. It is lower tide, but the tide is coming up right now. Let me give you a look and we'll see if maybe we can climb it in time. So beautiful, that's the Bellingham Bay we're looking over. So you can see the anchors right there, and I just need to know if a 70-meter rope is gonna be enough. It says it's 100 feet, and it says 70 meters would be enough to top rope and rappel it. So I guess we get the stuff, drop the rope. One of us is down there to make sure that it actually made it down to the beach and we could give it a go. Wow, what a beautiful spot. All right, Jenna made it down there. Let me make sure I'm taking decent video here. Yeah, wow, it's so beautiful. All right, you can't really even tell, but she's down near there you can see her a little bit, yeah. I'm set up, everything looks great. I'm ready to rappel, and I wasn't able to throw it all the way down. It says that this will be fine, that this climb is fine for 70 meters, but it's just a little scary because I'm trusting that and I don't actually have rope sitting on the ground. But I guess we'll see what happens. Hopefully I can down climb it if needed. It's onto some beach sand, so that's not that bad. So, see how it goes. There's a train right up there. Wow. Living life, baby.
Good news, I made it to the bottom, and we each got to climb the wall a bit before having to pack up as the tide came up. Now let's fast forward to the next low tide and show you the little critters you can find out here. Really interesting place to scramble around and find some cool stuff. Also, I saw something I've never seen before and might never see again. A seagull eating a starfish. I didn't know this was possible. It seems really difficult to eat something that's way bigger than your mouth, but very persistent, very patient, and pretty creative, honestly. Makes for an interesting meal for this guy. On the inland part of the state park, you can head up a few miles to Fragrance Lake for some nice serene forested areas. Also, just outside of the state park, there are some areas that you can park overnight for free, so we made use of that for a few nights. Very nice right along the bay. And that's it for this one, Larrabee State Park, Washington's very first, just outside of Bellingham, Washington. Beautiful place to explore. Check it out, like the video, and subscribe for more weekly travel videos.